In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Flights to search for multi-city trips. If you're planning a journey with more than one stop, this tool makes it easy to compare options and stitch your itinerary together without bouncing between different sites. Start by opening Google Flights in your browser. You'll land on a clean dashboard with a large search box front and center. By default, it shows round trip or one way, but for an itinerary with multiple stops, you'll want to change that. At the top of the search box, click the trip type dropdown and choose multi-city. This tells Google Flights you're building a trip with several legs instead of a simple out and back. You'll now see multiple flight rows appear. Think of each row as one segment of your journey. Your first hop, second hop, and so on. In each row, you'll fill out the departure city, the destination city, and later, the date. Start entering the cities and let Google help you with suggestions. You can type a city or specific airport. Make sure each leg flows in the right order so your route makes sense and you're not backtracking by mistake. To show you how it looks, here's a simple example. For the first flight, type Manila to Tokyo. In the next row, set Tokyo to Seoul. If you want to return home or add one more destination, click Add Flight and enter the next leg, like Seoul to Manila. You can continue adding stops until your itinerary is complete. Next, pick your dates for each leg. You can mix different dates for each destination, which is perfect if you want extra time in one city. A helpful tip here is to give yourself some buffer days when hopping between countries, especially if you're adjusting to new time zones. Once your cities and dates are set, click Search. Google Flights will pull in available options across airlines and booking partners. This is where you refine. Use the filters to narrow things down by price range, preferred airlines, number of stops, and departure or arrival times. Adjusting these can drastically change the total cost and travel time, so explore a few combinations. Keep an eye on layover lengths and overnight connections if you want smoother travel days. When you found an itinerary you like, click Select. You'll be redirected to the airline or a trusted booking site to complete your purchase. Before you pay, double-check traveler details, baggage rules, and any change or cancellation policies so there are no surprises. And that's it, your multi-city trip organized in one place with clear options and pricing.